Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video today guys, I am going to review and assemble an office desk by Vernal. And Vernal, it's a company, a furniture company that they're creating all these working areas, working spaces, and their goal is basically to make our life easier and more comfortable because their desks are all about ergonomically correct design for the person. So the user that will use this desk is gonna be very comfortable, so it's gonna feel great, and they are using a high quality type of materials for their desks. Well guys, cannot wait to show you all the assembling, all the installation, and share with you my personal experience about assembling and using this desk by Vernal. Well, let's get started. So first of all, about the brand Vernal. So the word Vernal comes from Latin and it means spring. So actually this word Vernal, the name of this brand, reflecting the mission of the brand to deliver ergonomic products all crafted with sleek modern aesthetics, and their mission is to ensure that their customers enjoying a pain-free, stable and stylish home office experience. Isn't that amazing? Let's get started with this Vernal standing desk. And currently guys, you can see us assembling this one. My husband helped me. Actually no, my husband assembled that and I helped him a little bit. And I'm so very happy guys to show you in this video today all the installation process and tell you all the details about these Vernal desks. Now about the installation and assembling, it's very easy. It works on the setup in one type of a system, and the Vernal standing desks does not wobble at the highest position compared to the traditional standing desks. The assembling is fast and easy, and it comes as a frame desktop integration. The best thing about this desk, it's the stability. So guys, you can see me right now taking the desk to the highest point, to the very much highest point, and here you can see me putting a glass of water, and I am right now shaking the desk. You can see that the water is staying on its place. You can see the water glass amplitude, and this is how you can see how stable this desk is. Now, Vernal's standing desks are coming in many different colors and in different shapes, so you can choose between the I shape and between the L shape. The height range that this desk can go, it's from 22.8 inches and up to 48.4 inches of a height. This is how high and how low, like highest and lowest points that this standing desk can get up to. And now the weight capacity of this table is up to 350 pounds, as well as it is coming with a cable management tray. So through the tray, you can connect all of your electronic favorite devices, like your computer, obviously, your monitor, any other type of stuff you have around your desk, let's say air purifier or air humidifier, whatever you are using around your desk, you can easily connect it all thanks to the cable management tray. All of Vernal standing desks coming with 15 years of warranty, and they're all FSC certificated. The desk came with an integrated drawer with a keyboard tray, and by the way, you can choose the color of all of these, and I absolutely love the keyboard tray, so you can put your keyboard there or you can put in any other stuff that you need to use. You can also get the desktop extension board if you want to in black or white, and that's actually a board that you can just simply connect to your desk and to extend your desk a little bit extra, like give it a little bit more space for you to work. Now it also comes with a V-series desk shelf in 3 different colors, and it's very convenient and easy to use and very comfortable because the monitor will be standing on it, or obviously you can use it for any other type of activity that you will choose for, but it is very, very comfortable and very convenient to use. It actually helps you to organize your desk, and it's easy and absolutely makes sense just to put your stuff in an order all around. That type of a design of the desk is helping a lot in keeping the order and the good, correct organization of your desk, which as a result, it will bring a better working experience and a better result for your job for sure. I also absolutely love the pop-up outlet, which comes in black or white, and this is super cool feature. You just basically push it down and an outlet will pop up. This pop out outlet saves space and helps you once again to keep your desk organized very well, and it is providing with outlets for any type of electronic devices used, which is so very convenient once again. So what I've got, it's a Vernal standing desk, 72 on 60 inches, the left version, and I've got it all in white color. I also got a desk shelf in 47.2 inches light walnut, as well as I got an integrated drawer keyboard tray. in 2.5 inches in white. So Vernal standing desk with a setup in one system is one desk for all types of workspaces. And the desk is built in a precise technology. So precise technology makes the columns, and I'm talking about the actual building way of the desk. So that type of technology makes the columns slide seamlessly into each other with less than 0.01 inches of a gap. It also comes with a larger connection area. So comes with a great support between the three sections of the column, and the whole column can be more stable. It also has a thicker crossbar and footings. The thicknet structure allowed the standing desk to withstand greater external impact thanks to the thicker crossbar and footings. The assemble time of this desk is 6 minutes. 6 minutes, guys. A frame desktop integration. It is an achieve and a seamless integration with just 2 steps to assemble this desk. The pre-assembled nuts for accessories, so it is all arriving pre-assembled already. So there's basically not a lot that you need to do yourself. It is all comes arriving to your house in packages already. You simply unbox it and pre-assemble the nuts for accessories. So no any type of even additional tools are required to assemble this desk. It also comes with 2 cable trays underneath of the desk, and that to help the wire management all around your desk, which this is so important. I hate wires. Yes, I would love everything to be wireless. With the wire management tray on the crossbar and with an extra under desk cable tray, so 2 in total, you can easily organize all of your cables, all of your wires, and easily set up your cable-free desk. So once again, as more organized your desk is, as better type of high quality work you will be able to do. It also comes in an UC type frames. So that traditional way of creating a desk means that the C-leg design reducing the stability of the standing desk, while the T-leg frame affects the leg space when the desk height is low. Vernal is different. Vernal was designed through an extensive testing so that the frame is fixed in the perfect and correct ergonomically position for both to increase leg space and not to affect the stability of the desk at the very same time. So you can control the height of this desk. You can take it anywhere to low for a sitting position up to a standing position, whatever works best for you. The desk is also safe. First of all, the rounded corners of the desktop can help to avoid any type of collision damage. The 1 inch of a thick desktop provides a strong support and can prevent sinking even under a very heavy load. Now, if the desk encounters a rigid obstacle, by the way, whenever it goes down or up, it will stop automatically, as well as the desk will moves back a little small distance in the opposite direction, and then it will stop completely. And now, guys, there is a summer sale right now goes on, and it starts from July 10th until August 20th. So you will get a free desk accessories giveaway as well as half price for a chair promotion. You are welcome to use an exclusive code from the description box down below and get an extra 7% off on your purchases. All the links and the discount code will be found at the top of my video description as well as in the pinned comment. Guys, I truly hope this video was helpful for you. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments to this video of mine. Please let me know what do you think. Please let me know what type of desk you are using right now, and maybe let me know what is your dream, what's your dream desk. Is it something that looks like Vernal? Because mine is. Guys, I highly recommend you to check Vernal out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, sales, and so very on. All the necessary information, everything can be found down below at the description box to this video of mine. The assembling was easy peasy, it was a breeze, was fast and easy to understand. The instructions also very user-friendly, and the user guide was a great help for us to assemble these desks. Me and my husband assembled these desks together, and I am definitely a big fan of my new desk, of my new working area, which will give me and bring me even more success in my career. I hope so. Well, guys, that was actually all for today. Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments once again, and be so very sure to check Vernal out. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.